So, it was our birthday on Friday, but we forgot Cat Peach. So, let's celebrate it today. Later on, we'll be doing lots of stuff like parties, games, all of that stuff. There's loads for us to do. You ready for it? I am totally ready. Okay, let's do it. Zoom!
Animal game.
Hello, Cat Peach. How is it? Wow, isn't it so good? Isn't it so good? Isn't it so good? Yo, Cat Peach, what do you have there?
Clams.
Cool. What are we making later?
Ooh. Well, we're killing our guinea pig.
Crispy mallow bites.
We're not kidding our guinea pig. We're making crispy mallow bites.
Oh, I gotta get that
We're
whatever that
killing
is.
our guinea pig to make an ingredient.
No, we're not. We've got marshmallows.
Alright, I was cutting up.
That would be a separate video, but this is
Like, well,
a birthday video, so that making the stuff will be a different video. We'll take Cat Peach. This is just our
I
best.
also got some plums.
Yummy. Nom 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 nom.
Guess I'm having this one. Nom, 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 nom.
Hello, my name is Cat Maria. And
I'm Cat Peach.
yes, and I don't know, it's our birthday. Or was, we're gonna continue recording. This is us playing our favourite game. Cat Peach, say it please.
Super Mario 3D World.
We're the Super Mario 3D World. There's lots of things to do. And here, we're gonna show you. Enjoy. Let's play. Obviously I'll be Mario.
And obviously since it's our real names as human.
Come on, let's go.
Now, if you guys didn't see the last Super Mario 3D World,
Oh, oh.
the one I accidentally swore.
Don't go yet, remember? There's some interesting stuff up here. Cat Peach, don't forget what's up here. Don't forget what's up here. Cat Peach. Come on, sis, let's go. Also, I call you my wife since we're already married. Cat Peach. Come on, Cat Peach, let's go. Oh, no! Yay! Come on! And you try and keep us as cats, since that's what we are. Up here, Cat Peach. Ready, Cat Peach? Know what's in here? Know what's in here, Cat Peach? Cat Peach, all you do is stay in the middle as much as you can. Look how close it is, we'll never wander. 13 I put out. No, I lost it. Can you kill that thing, please? Oh, ow. It's also a carrot I could use. You get the coins, also kill this thing. What do you mean? for about 30 seconds. No! Oh! No! I almost saved her! Stay alive! No! Come on. Have to go. Don't worry about restarting. Let's just go. No! Come on. There we go. Come on, let's go. What are we going to get in this box? I'll let you have it. Oh, there we go. No, oh no, oh no. Oh no, sorry. I didn't know that was going to happen. Can I save it? No! Why does this keep happening, Cappy? What keeps happening, Cappy?
I don't know.
We've
But
lost,
I've got a little crown.
we've lost our cat because of that. No, I'm a baby. No! Again? Why are we so bad? We've done this before. Trust me, we've done this before.
That's because you didn't bubble me over to you.
Is that what you want me doing?
Yeah.
No need that, I'll just get us 1,000 points. Whoever grabs it. We're going to win because of this. Because we've only got 2,000 points, because our point starts by here. Well, I'm going to spawn you now. You want to get the star? Do you want to get the star? Try not to deliberately die just to be spawned to me, because I'll lose our 1-ups, okay? Okay, Cat Peach? Let's go. I forgot about this. Oh no, am I gonna win because of that? Oh wait, no, I think you're still in more points than I have. I think I'm gonna win, Cat Peach.
Yeah, well.
Hey, I'm just doing it for you. Top of the flag. Oh, you okay?
You know I can design now.
Cappy, is you okay? Do you think you still won? It doesn't matter if you lose, it's just a game. I remember it's your birthday, so I'll let you win at some point. Surely I'll let you win next game. I'll let you win. Believe me, Cappies, I'll let you win next game. Oh, boy, look at this stage. Do you know what this stage is? Does that mean we need a cat for it? Hey, do you want to help me go get some cats?
Yeah.
Cappies, let's just get some cats ready for next Super Mario 3D World episode, shall we? Or do you want to get some cats? Unless you want to explore this world more, Cat Peach. Want to explore this world or no? Because you've already explored it. Do you want to do it or no? Because you've already explored it.
Well, I've cut your price account. The only thing you need in there now, I think, is your wash bag. You've got your clothes, your underwear, your pajamas, your wellies, your towels, sliders, your dirty washing bag, your shower bag, your Bible. Oh, and your torch. The only thing you need now.
Benny!
The only thing you need now is your torch and your toiletries.
Oh, you're not much.
Yeah. So that was speed things up.
So I'm letting you win, Cat Peach. Am I kind? Am I kind, Cat Peach?
darling.
You want to say anything to Crash
I
Dance?
just splashed out the corner of my eye and saw you do.
Do you want to say something to Crash Dance?
Ready.
Sorry, celebrating a day early.
You threw the bed.
Want to say something to Cross about celebrating?
You were in the bed for 1 second.
I got it so exciting!
Did you want to say anything to Crash Dance?
Happy got to day.
Or happy early? A day early.
Happy almost got to day.
3 years tomorrow.
Right, we need to be keeping our eye on and we don't want to wander off the baby.
Hello.
Yeah, for making sure we are.
Especially this.
Oh look! We still have to catch. Oh.
You piece of.
Hey, I let you
Pepper,
get
you
it.
look cozy there, boy.
You are a piece of.
Hey, I let you get it. And I'm letting you win. Look, I'm letting you get all these coins. It's not a load of coins. I'm letting you win.
Right. Keep an eye on you.
Yeah. See, I let you win then. Who do you think won? Did I just do a trick and got 5,000 points for it? Caprice, did I just do a trick and get 5,000 points for it? You better still win.
It is a piece of.
Okay, Cat Peach, I'll give the crown to you. Here you go. There's my crown to your crown. Yeah, I've got a crown! We could have done a lot more for our birthday, but Cat Peach. Yes? Then we got married to Yoko, but do you love me? Of course I love you. Okay, we could have done a lot more for our birthday, but that's going to be it. Yeah, I mean, we spent the time we could, so that's what matters. Yeah, I mean, at least we spent our birthday. I mean, some people don't celebrate their birthday, so as long as we celebrate our birthdays, it's all fine. Oh wait, but whose birthday's next? Dun dun dun! Flip, 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 flip. There's another birthday soon. Right, we better get the birthday preparations ready then. Yes, come on, we have to hurry. Okay, we don't have to hurry that bad.